Okay traders, welcome back. In this video I'm going to analyze the gold chart on 13th of March 2023 and show you some positions that you can make and see what's gonna happen next, and then show you the positions that I made on 10th of March 2023. So let's get started. But before we start the video, I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's some clicks for you, but it really helps me. And let's start now. As you can see on the 4-hour time frame, here you can see that we have this resistance line. Actually the price was actually falling and stopped here and made a correction like this, and again touched this level, started again falling. Okay, we draw a resistance line like this, and also you can see in the future here actually the price reacted to that level and made some actually shadows like this, and also a pin bar right now. Actually if this candle closes like this after 2 hours, we can have some sell positions here, and we can enter here, put our stop loss above these candles and look for risk to reward 2, which is gonna be somewhere here. Yeah, and it can also be the previous actually resistance line, can be support for us and can be our target for this sell position. Okay, this is about 4-hour time frame. Let's switch to 1-hour time frame. Nothing special here. You can see another pin bar here too. We can enter right now too, but it depends on your risk. I recommend you enter actually in the 4-hour time frame after the 2 hours if you want to enter actually. Let's switch to 15-minute time frame. Here we can here we can see some actually upward and downward moves, which shows that we are in a range place like this. If we see some break out of this actually box, we can see the price actually move to that direction. Price is going up and down, and again up, and I believe again down. We might break this actually support here, this level here, and we can start falling. Okay, as we have this resistance area on the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, this is all about gold's analysis today. Let's switch to the positions that I made yesterday, actually not yesterday, on 10th of March, and see what's going on there. Welcome back traders. As you can see, we are on the gold chart 5-minute time frame. It is 10th of March 2023. Then we're gonna see the positions one by one. Actually, but before we start the video, I want you, before start this part, I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's some clicks for you, but it really helps me and gives me the energy to make better videos for you. Okay, as you can see on the first position, we do have this trend line, which it was like this at the first look. When we see this shadow here, we extend the trend line, and we can see it is broken here with this red candle. We can enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candle, and it gave us something around 2.2. On the second position, we do have this trend line with 2 touches. On the third time it is broken here, we can risk on it and go for buy position, put our stop loss below the candle or somewhere safer like this one here, and look for risk to reward 2, which it gives us something around 6 here. We could also enter a buy position on this trend line too with this breakout. On the third position, we do have this trend line with 3 touches, 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches. On the fourth time it was broken here, we could enter buy position, put our stop loss below the candle, and look for risk to reward 2, which it gives us something around 4 and a bit more than that. We could also enter a buy position on this small trend line too. We have actually this is a big trend line in the 1-minute time frame. Okay, but we can also enter in 5-minute time frame too. You can see we have this trend line with 3 touches on the actually the price was going up and made a small correction here, and we can see this candle breaks this trend line. We can enter here, put our stop loss below the candle here or somewhere safer here, and look for risk to reward 2, which it gives us something around I didn't actually draw that. Let me draw it first. We can enter here, put our stop loss below the candle, and it gives us something around 4.2 again. On the trade 4, actually it is our last position. We did have this trend line. You can see this as a resistance line too, which it was broken here. We could enter buy position, put our stop loss below the candle, and it gave us something around 15. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's some clicks for you, but it really helps me and gives me the energy to make better videos for you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Come at me and you will be replaced. They won't find a trace of you anywhere or any place.